Is Gray going first again? Yes, they are.
This is a test of NOAA Weather Radio's warning alarm systems. Please, you just heard will on to warn
That's
of
been happening all
impending
night.
reception of this broadcast. The warning alarm feature will vary. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. Recreation.
Well, as you heard right there, that's why I swapped everything to
Friday night,
WX
partly
online.
cloudy. Lows in the mid-60s.
Because all morning, for God knows whatever reason, WNG575 has been going in and out of the air like that. I guess they stayed on to where I could actually hear the headers, but yeah. So now I guess we're just waiting for Norton to go.
This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio Tone and Scene Alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, we will postpone to the next fair weather day. Postpone to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA Weather Radio and Scene Alert systems. Elevations across the northeastern United States. In Massachusetts, at Thompson, sunny and 75.
Nice.
In Hyannis, sunny and 71. And in Nantucket, sunny and 70. In Rhode Island, at Providence, mostly sunny and 76. And at Block Island, sunny and 69. In Connecticut, at Hartford, sunny and 69. In Groton, sunny and 73. And at New Haven, sunny and 73. In New York State, at Albany, mostly sunny and 70. In New York City, sunny and 73. And in Islip, mostly sunny and 74. And across northern New England, at Burlington, sunny and 71. In Concord, sunny and 72. At Portland, mostly sunny and 72. And on top of Mount Washington, mostly sunny, temperature 45, wind northwest at 22 gusting to 37 miles an hour. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for central Massachusetts, including the greater western area.
I fucking did it again. Why is the alert constantly disappearing off this thing? I don't understand it. Like, seriously, dude. It's pissing me off.
Winds around 5 miles an hour. Tonight, clear. Lows in the mid-50s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday, sunny, hot with highs in the upper 80s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thursday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 50s. West winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Friday, mostly sunny. Hot with highs in the upper.
I believe we had a perfect activation otherwise. Nice. Once again, wondering why the alert keeps fucking disappearing off this thing right as soon as it's issued.